is interior room 8114 on the Carnival Miracle. This is an interior room, mailbox. Come in, standard size door. Got your closets over on this side. Got ability to hang stuff here, shelf down at the bottom. The life jackets are up here. And then more hanging in the middle closet, a lower bar, and a shelf down there. And in the last closet, you got shelves in here, and they will fold up, so you don't, have to use them if you don't want to. Here's the power. You got one European, one US. Your desk area, seat. Here's the drawers, hair dryer. Over here is your TV, your safe, area where your drinks are located, a little table, and then you get king size bed, 2 lamps. There's no plugs on the lamps for your phone. In the bathroom, it's typical Carnival bathroom. Got the shelves there, no grab bars. Step up into the bathroom. And that's it. That's the interior room.